Hi, it's Steve, and this is my daughter, Macy.
Hi.
So we've discovered that burping after inhaling helium is gross.
And you should definitely do it.
And so we are going to, because the human body is indeed a miracle of science.
I must need a lot.
More root beer. Oh, I'm so ready. Hey!
Talk.
Everything's a little bit weird, isn't it? Such wimpy burps.
Oh, I'm sorry, is this an extra one? Go get it. Inhale. Burp.
So my voice.
Your voice is great.
My voice?
But
My voice?
I need a
My
burp.
voice.
We need a burp.
Okay, here I go.
Really? I'm so underwhelmed right now.
It's not work. Whoa, okay.
I guess we're going to have to wait till we're at the dinner table. That's when she can really let him fly.